So today we have a brushless portable vacuum cleaner by PrettyCare we're going to take a look at, get it out of the box, and let you guys know what we think, all in today's episode of Good Tech Cheap. Let's get to it. Welcome back to another episode of Good Tech Cheap. My name is Brad and I'll be the host for today's episode. Starting out, if you're new to the show, make sure you are following where you see this content at. Today's episode is brought to you by PrettyCare. We have a rechargeable vacuum that has a brushless motor in it with all the power you need to keep the house clean. All the links and details, of course, are located in the description. So we're going to get it out of the box and let you guys know what we think. Let's go check it out. So we got the PrettyCare P1 vacuum. Let's get it out of the box. See what all we get. Alright, on the top, we're going to need the knife again. Let's get this open. We have one of the handles. One of the extensions comes in and out right there. Sweet. And we've got some paperwork, the PrettyCare instruction manual. And a little compartment over here. We have some mounting screws and some other attachments with some adhesive tape on the back. Here is a filter, and it does have a washable label on it, letting us know it is washable. Then we have the AC plug to charge it. Closing that little box compartment, we have the PrettyCare unit itself. Very nice. A really nice feel to it. It looks really slick with the blue color. Then we have some more attachments at the bottom. You can use for the end to get into different areas, like in a car. That'd be great for a tight area in a car. Then we have the actual floor vacuum attachment. Also very nice, slick looking with the color. Underneath we have a little brush. An electric brush attachment, rubber on the wheels, should roll real smoothly across the floor. So this is everything you get right out of the box with the PrettyCare vacuum. So now we're going to get it charged up, try it out, and let you guys know what we think. The PrettyCare P1 brushless cordless vacuum makes household chores a breeze with an ultra longer service life and higher efficiency, and of course less heat and noise. Rated at 26,000 PA, this dorm vacuum is powerful to suck up any pet hair, dust, and other household trash that you find along your floor. Designed with an LED panel display that will give you your battery life and 2 powerful suction modes, giving you the option for longer lasting battery or ultra suction power. And with the large capacity battery, this vacuum offers longer working time than other stick vacuums, as well as being lightweight, making this vacuum cleaner super easy to clean your house. While coming along with multiple attachments, you'll have the tool for every type of job you need this vacuum for. When running the floor sweeper, you also have 4 LED floor lights that will help you navigate through your floor in dark places, letting you eliminate trash and see it with ease. And with the 4-stage sealed filtration system, this system is effective at picking up 99.99% of particles as small as 0.3 microns, keeping the dust that you vacuum from re-entering the atmosphere, making this a great tool for those who suffer from allergies. And after successfully cleaning your home, it comes to the one-click dust dumping feature. With the 1.2 liter dustbin, you can easily empty it out with the press of just one button. As well as if you need to break down the dustbin and wash it, you can do that as well. Meaning that the filters do need to be washed regularly after use. So far, using this vacuum along hardwood floors and even carpet, it has done an outstanding job keeping the place clean and a lot less animal hair along the furniture. And with the 180 watt powerful brushless motor, this vacuum definitely sets itself apart from other vacuums. The overall runtime is around 40 minutes of continuous runtime, and the two modes will break it down to two different runtimes. You get around 18 minutes using the powerful mode at 26,000 kPa, and around 40 minutes using the standard mode around 17,000 kPa. And if it comes down to needing more time, you do have fast charging as an option. I most definitely say if you're in the market for a cordless vacuum, this is one I would definitely look into checking out. As I said, it's been working great for us, keeping the studio clean, keeping the home clean, and of course, all that pet hair off of the furniture, which is basically the main goal because Matt has those allergies when it comes to cats. So PrettyCare, you definitely come in for the win on this one. That being said, if you're in the market for a cordless vacuum cleaner, this is one I'd highly recommend. We have all the links and details located in the description, so make sure to check that out. As well as give PrettyCare a huge shout out for partnering up with us so we could give you this review. So if you found this review helpful, make sure to hit that like button and get in the comments letting us know what you're going to be cleaning with this vacuum. Well, that is going to wrap it up for today's episode. We'd like to thank each and every one of you for checking out this review. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel already, make sure to do so. Turn that bell on if you'd like to receive notifications. Once again, my name is Brad. That's going to wrap it up for today's episode. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.